A meat grinder isn't an essential piece of equipment, but if you are looking to make the best meatballs, meatloaf, chorizo, or smash burgers, it's a worthy and affordable investment. We tested 8 different grinders to find the best options for home cooks, from hand-cranked models and stand mixer attachments to countertop electric grinders. Here are the best meat grinders.
Number 1. KitchenAid KSMMGA Metal Food Grinder Attachment. When shopping for a meat grinder, it's important to buy a reputable brand that is built to last, says Joel Rice, chef/owner of Who's Jack W. In New York City. He sums up exactly why KitchenAid is a reliable and covetable brand for cookware in general, and for meat grinders specifically. If you are fortunate enough to have a stand mixer, you are already more than halfway to owning a meat grinder. This stainless steel add-on from KitchenAid attaches to the power hub, using your mixer's motor to process meat, vegetables, and more. Included are fine, medium, and coarse grinding plates and 2 sausage stuffer tubes, as well as an amply-sized food tray to process more ingredients in a flash. The attachment can be pre-chilled in the fridge or freezer to maintain a cold grinding temperature, which will assure that you obtain a clean grind when preparing the meat. The attachment and tools store in their own convenient case. Some parts are dishwasher safe, while others need to be washed by hand. It's the most economical, and a lot of people already have the mixers, he says. This is really a matter of space saving for me. The standalone grinders are more powerful but larger, and I've never needed such a device for home cooking. Number 2. Keto Art Metal Meat Grinder Attachment. This Keto Art Metal Meat Grinder Attachment is the best meat grinder for KitchenAid stand mixers, thanks to integrating with every KitchenAid branded stand mixer available for purchase and featuring an ultra-durable aluminum alloy body. We also love the compact form factor, which allows it to be placed in the freezer before grinding, which results in a clean and efficient grind. Though this meat grinder ships with multiple blades, plates, and other accessories, this is not a standalone unit and needs a KitchenAid mixer in order to function. Additionally, the components must be hand-washed and cannot be placed in the dishwasher. Meat grinder attachment that integrates with all KitchenAid stand mixers, made from ultra-durable aluminum alloy and shipping with 4 grinding plates, 2 stainless steel blades, and more. Included in the purchase of the KitOrt meat grinder are fine, medium, and coarse grinding plates, a kidney grinding plate, 2 sausage stuffer tubes, and a cleaning brush. A variety of grinding plates is important for producing the right cut for your recipes. While meat grinder attachments are a great space-saving measure, it's important to keep in mind that you will be using your stand mixer to power the attachment, so there's no reverse function to help with the occasional blockage. Number 3. STX International 3000 Series Electric Meat Grinder. This grinder is extremely powerful, with 3000 watts of peak power, which translates to 800 to 1200 watts while grinding in a capacity of 180 to 240 pounds of meat per hour. It also offers 2 speed options, with a slower mode that's best for tougher, fattier cuts. The SDX's best feature, though, is its range of attachments and extras to help you get as much use out of the machine as possible. It comes with 3 blades, 3 different grinding plates, and 3 sizes of sausage stuffing tubes. There's also a special nozzle for making homemade kibbeh, a dish of meat stuffed inside a shell made from bulgur wheat and more meat. The plastic pusher opens up to store extra parts when not in use. The main downside to all those different grinding options is that the machine can be complicated to put together. Different functions require different sets of pieces. Make sure you hold on to the manual, which explains everything. When it comes to cleaning, the blades are dishwasher safe, but none of the other parts are, so you'll have to do some manual scrubbing. Pros: powerful, includes many attachments and tools, 2 grind speeds, powerful motor works quickly and efficiently. Cons: complicated to assemble. Number 4. LHS Manual Heavy Duty Meat Grinder. This LHS manual meat grinder comes in at a budget-friendly price point while offering a suite of high-end features, including a stability-enhancing design. Thanks to suction cups that affix to the countertop during use, we also love the ergonomic easy grip handle and the fact that it ships with useful accessories that turn this meat grinder into a pasta maker and dough kneader. In addition to a cookie shaper, this is a meat grinder with a manual hand crank design, however, and is slower and less powerful than electric grinders, though it is great for small batches. Additionally, though it does ship with pasta and dough making accessories, this meat grinder does not with a sausage stuffer attachment. If you're using this to prepare hamburgers for your next barbecue, you'll also want to be ready with the best grill cleaner, budget-friendly meat grinder with plenty of high-end features, including suction cups on the bottom which affix in place during use, for stability, and an ergonomic easy grip handle. Pros, affixes to counter during use for stability, ergonomic manual handle is easy to grip and use, ships with accessories for pasta, dough and cookie making. Cons. Manual design not as powerful or speedy as electric grinders. Number 5, Aobosi Heavy Duty 3in1 Electric Meat Grinder. This Aobosi 3in1 electric meat grinder is designed from the ground up for safety, with dual safety switches that both have to be turned on in order for the grinder to operate, a best-in-class circuit breaker to keep the interior from getting too hot and a reverse button for when ingredients get stuck. We also love the included auger, which is designed to keep the meat cool as it grinds, resulting in a tastier and healthier end result, though this meat grinder does ship with sausage and cub kits, which is great. Not a single component included here is dishwasher safe and it all must be hand washed. Also, the sausage kit only allows for one size of sausage making, wide, with no narrow options. Either way, these sausages will be ready for any of the best grills. Safe and accident-proof design, with dual safety switches, a circuit breaker to prevent temperatures from rising too high and a reverse function for when ingredients get stuck. Pros, reverse switch for when ingredients get stuck, auger designed to keep meat cool as it grinds, ships with kit to make cub. Cons, components are not dishwasher safe.